Welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make mini cheesecakes topped with a strawberry sauce, whipped cream, and berries of your choice. This would be a perfect dessert to go with your Valentine's dinner. This will make 19 mini cheesecakes, so you'll be using one whole muffin pan and half of another, and go ahead and line it with cupcake liners. Preheat your oven to 325, and then to get started on the crust, you'll need 1 sleeve of graham crackers. I like to use my blender for this, but obviously you can crush it up by hand. Place the graham cracker crumbs in a bowl along with the sugar and mix the two together. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter, and then this will be added to the graham cracker crumbs and sugar. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of our future videos. Once you get the butter mixed in really well, you're then going to add a little over a tablespoon to each liner. Then using your fingers, you're just going to press it down to form a little crust. Place them in the oven on the middle rack for 5 to 8 minutes, just until they're lightly browned. To make your filling, add your cream cheese to a bowl and beat for about 1 minute until creamy and smooth. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and then add in your sugar and sour cream, beating until well combined. Add in the vanilla extract, salt, and beat on low speed until smooth. Finally, add your eggs one at a time and mix it together after each addition. Add your filling to your crust. As you can see, I pretty much filled it almost to the top of the cupcake liners. Bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes on the middle rack until they're pretty much set. To make your strawberry sauce, you'll be mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. You can use fresh strawberries, but I feel like frozen strawberries work just as well, and this is something that you might already have on hand. So add 1 cup of frozen strawberries to a saucepan, along with a half cup of sugar and the water cornstarch mixture. Stir it all together until the sugar is dissolved, and then place a lid on it. Your cheesecakes are done when they're no longer very jiggly, so take them out and transfer them to a wire rack to cool. Keep stirring your strawberries periodically, and then take a fork and start mashing up your strawberries. You're going to have chunks in it, which is totally fine. When your sauce has thickened, take it off the heat and let it cool. Once your cheesecakes have cooled, you're going to remove the cupcake liners and place them on a plate. Then pop them in the fridge for about 3 hours to chill before you put the toppings on. Today I'll be using strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, but you can use whatever berries you choose. For the whipping cream, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to a bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this together until stiff peaks form, and then transfer this to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Taking your cheesecakes out of the fridge, you can now add a little bit of strawberry sauce topping to each one. Pipe your whipping cream on top of the mini cheesecakes, and then add your berries on top. And that's it. These taste delicious and make such a great dessert. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these mini cheesecakes, and hopefully you'll give it a try. Trust me, they are super easy. These will also keep several days in the fridge and still taste delicious.